Human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV, is a viral infection that left untreated can lead to acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, also known as AIDS. According to an AIDS epidemic update from UNAIDS and the World Health Organization, 35.3 million people are living with HIV in the world. 2.3 million people are newly infected in 2011 alone, and 1.6 million people have died in 2011. There is currently no cure for an infection of HIV, as this virus is able to lie dormant in cells and lay hidden for decades. Symptoms of an HIV infection include fever, swollen glands, sore throat, and fatigue. If left untreated, AIDS will set in with symptoms of weight loss, tiredness, sores on the body, brown or red skin blotches, and memory loss. HIV infection begins by a virus recognizing the CD4 receptors on T cells using the SU glycoprotein. The virus then fuses to the target cell's membrane, releasing its contents of mRNA and proteins into the cytosol. The RNA genome of HIV is then rewritten into DNA by accompanying reverse transcriptases, also injected into the cell at the same time. This new viral DNA is then joined with a viral protein complex called PIC. This PIC complex facilitates transport into the cell nucleus through the nuclear pore complex. Once inside, the DNA is integrated with the help of integrase enzymes. HIV viral mRNA produced from this newly infiltrated DNA can be spliced in multiple ways as corresponding to different protein products, and all are required for a successful infection. The cells have a system of checks using snRNP signals bound to unspliced mRNA to prevent export from the nucleus. But HIV has a workaround to defeat the system by having its fully spliced mRNA travel out of the nucleus, translates it into Rev protein, which then re-enters the nucleus and facilitates the export of the viral unspliced mRNA that would normally be locked up by the snRNP flags. In a way, this activity of HIV bypassing the regulatory controls of molecule transport across membranes is a defect in the system. HIV preferentially infects CD4 immune cells and slowly degrades the numbers of these cells in the body, leading to a weakened immune system vulnerable to secondary infections, also known as AIDS. If you think you or someone you know may have HIV, please contact your doctor. Current treatments include the application of a panel of antiretroviral drugs targeting the replication ability of HIV. Future treatments to eradicate dormant HIV infections for good are being worked on. These treatments use radiation-linked antibodies targeted to kill infected cells specifically. Thank you and stay healthy.